Hello everyone, this is my first YouTube video on this channel. I have created this video to help you understand basic concepts and terms in insurance sector. The reason why I chose this content is because insurance is a complex topic and there is a need to grow awareness of insurance. I have worked closely with multiple insurance companies and hence I decided to share this knowledge to the larger audience. So without further ado, I'll proceed with the topic. Reinsurance. This is the topic which I am going to explain and these are the aspects which I am going to cover in this video. First, we will understand the meaning and purpose of reinsurance. So the word itself reveals the meaning, which is insurance for insurance companies. Now the question comes in mind, why insurance company will require to insure themselves as they are the ones who insure the life, tangible or valuable items of customers. However, at times when the claim amount is substantially high and insurance company does not have adequate money to compensate those losses, reinsurance company come to rescue to cover such risk. Now we will understand how the reinsurance arrangement takes place between insurance and reinsurance company. There are basically three major types of reinsurance arrangement. First one being treaty arrangement. Here the insurance company covers a range of policies with reinsurance company for a set period of time. For example, XYZ insurance company offer B product which is the highest saleable product for this insurance company. So there is a high chance of claims in the future. So whoever has taken a policy under these product, insurance company will further cover these policies with reinsurance company by setting certain retention limits. So if in the contract it is mentioned that any claim amount beyond 20 lakh will be borne by insurance company, in that case, if any policy holder comes to claim amount of around 1 crore, insurance company will borne loss up to 20 lakh and the rest will be borne by reinsurance company. Another one is facultative arrangement. This is the opposite of treaty arrangement. Here the insurance company covers a specific policy. For example, a customer wants to take a policy which insurance company feels that this is going to be a risky bet and hence they transfer this risk to reinsurance company. Now in this case, since the risk is high, the premium rate is also going to be high. Then catastrophe bond. This is entered because of an insurance risk arising due to natural calamities and disaster. Now we will know who are these reinsurers in the market. These are some of the popular reinsurers operating in India. General Insurance Corporation reinsurer, RGA reinsurer, Munich reinsurer, Hanover reinsurer. Let's understand the market outlook for this business. The growth of reinsurance business seems to be promising because of increasing demand of insurance business and mission insurance for all by 2047. The another one is innovation. With the advancements of technology, data analytics, artificial intelligence, reinsurer is looking into product and services which will enhance their strategy of risk assessment. Climate change. Now, one of the concerns for reinsurance business is climate change. There is an increase of catastrophe loss due to natural calamities and disasters which can affect reinsurance business. With this, I am concluding this topic. If you have got some valuable insights from this video, please like, share this video and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you.